I'm headed to go look at a venue. It's called Annie. It's supposed to be really cute, so that's where I'm headed now. It's actually a part of a spa here in Houston, and it's really convenient right off of Westheimer, and it's supposed to have a rooftop. It has a rooftop space, but you can rent out the space as a private event venue. So I definitely wanted to come here and check it out. I like to do a lot of venue scouting just to see new places and places to have events. I like to keep a good Rolodex, or at least, I don't know, like an Excel spreadsheet of great spots, and I think this would be a really nice one. It's very intimate looking, and I like a nice rooftop with a view. And this one has a beautiful like grotto garden view on the inside. So I'm excited to check it out. Let's go.
What you doing?
Vlogging.
Really? Okay, tell me all about it.
It's nothing big. Our friend is back. And my dog is not having it. about to eat it. I mean, I kind of have no choice. And it's not like Mod Pizza or Blaze Pizza, but it's pretty close, I'm guessing. We'll see. It's like when you're doing healthy, there's no such thing as an amount of seasoning. Like, you just go heavy, because if not, it's gonna be bland. And I went heavy on the seasoning, so